10 fastest animals in the world. In the time it takes you to blink, he has already killed. 242 miles per hour. Terminal velocity for a skydiver without a parachute. He reaches it with his eyes open, tracking, calculating, adjusting. At that speed, one mistake means death. Yet he never misses. Speed is not a gift in the animal kingdom. It is a currency. Predators spend it to eat. Prey spend it to survive. Forget sports cars. Forget fighter jets. Nature engineered these machines millions of years before we invented the wheel. These are the 10 fastest animals in the world. And number 1 will leave you breathless. Number 10, the brown hare. He looks soft, gentle, harmless. Long ears flopping as he nibbles grass. Then a shadow moves overhead, and he becomes a blur. The brown hare, 45 miles per hour. But speed alone isn't what keeps him alive. His secret is chaos. When a predator locks on, the hare doesn't run in a straight line. He zigzags, sharp turns, sudden reversals. Direction changes that defy physics. His powerful hind legs launch him 10 feet in a single bound, changing trajectory mid-air. Foxes overshoot. Eagles miscalculate. The hare doesn't just outrun his predators, he outthinks them. At full speed, he can turn 90 degrees without slowing down. His bones are hollow, and his heart pumps at rates that would give most animals cardiac arrest. He looks like prey, but runs like evolution's greatest escape artist. Number 9, the springbok. She lives in the scorching deserts of southern Africa, where predators hunt from every direction. She survives all of it. The springbok, 55 miles per hour, one of the fastest antelopes on Earth. But her most famous behavior isn't running, it's pronking. When a predator approaches, she leaps straight into the air, legs stiff, back arched, white fur flashing like a signal. Why waste energy jumping when a lion is approaching? Because she's sending a message. I see you, I'm healthy, I'm fast, don't bother. It's an honest signal. A weak springbok cannot pronk effectively. Predators recognize this and often abandon the hunt. The springbok has evolved to advertise her speed, to weaponize confidence, and when the display doesn't work, she proves she wasn't bluffing. 55 miles per hour across open terrain. She turns survival into a performance. Number 8, the pronghorn. He is running from a ghost, 55 miles per hour, mile after mile, faster than any land animal can sustain. But the predator he evolved to escape has been extinct for 10,000 years. The pronghorn, the second fastest land animal on Earth. Why does he run so fast? Because evolution has a long memory. 10,000 years ago, the American cheetah hunted these plains. They evolved together, pushing each other faster over millions of years. Then the cheetah went extinct. But the pronghorn kept running. His DNA still carries the blueprint for survival against a monster that no longer exists. The pronghorn is a biological engine. His lungs are massive, his muscles loaded with mitochondria. A modern cheetah can outrun him in a sprint, but only for 30 seconds. The pronghorn can run at 40 miles per hour for miles. He wins the marathon. He is running from a ghost. And winning. Number 7, the African wild dog. They don't chase, they pursue. For 10 miles, 20 miles, until the prey cannot run another step. The African wild dog, 44 miles per hour. It might not sound impressive compared to others, but the wild dog doesn't compete in sprints. No other large carnivore combines speed and endurance like this. Lions overheat quickly. Cheetahs are done in seconds. The wild dog keeps going. Their hunts are relentless. A deadly pace that no prey can match indefinitely. Wildebeest can sprint faster, but not for 5 miles. The wild dog exploits those limits. Their secret is teamwork. While some dogs pursue at full effort, others hang back, rotating to share the burden. They spread the exhaustion among the pack while concentrating it on the prey. By the time they close in, the prey has nothing left. African wild dogs have an 80% hunt success rate. Speed matters, but endurance kills. Number 6. The sailfish. She explodes from the depths like a missile. 100 pounds of muscle propelling a 6-foot spear. 68 miles per hour. The fastest fish in the ocean. The sailfish. Her body is hydrodynamic perfection. Scales so smooth, water slides off without resistance. Number 5. The cheetah. He is the most famous speedster on Earth. A biological impossibility. The cheetah, 70 miles per hour. 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. Faster acceleration than a Lamborghini, done on uneven terrain. Everything about the cheetah is built for speed. His spine flexes like a spring, extending his stride to 25 feet. His claws don't retract, gripping the ground like cleats. His nasal passages are enlarged to flood his lungs with oxygen, and his long tail acts as a rudder during high-speed turns. But this perfection comes with a price. The cheetah can only maintain top speed for about 30 seconds. After that, his body overheats. He must stop, or he will die. Every hunt is a gamble. If he doesn't catch his prey within those 30 seconds, he fails. He has sacrificed strength and fighting ability for velocity. He is evolution's masterpiece of speed, and its warning of what that speed costs. Number 4. The Brazilian free-tailed bat. She doesn't fly. She rockets. 100 miles per hour. The fastest mammal on Earth. And most people have never heard of her. The Brazilian free-tailed bat. While cheetahs dominate headlines, this small bat dominates the skies. 7 inches long, half an ounce. For years, scientists assumed birds held all the airspeed records. They were wrong. Researchers tracked these bats flying horizontally at speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour, faster than any bird flying level. Her wings are long and narrow, shaped like a jet fighter's. She climbs high into the night sky, then dives, feeding on the wing at speeds that blur her shape. 20 million of them live in a single cave in Texas. Every night they emerge, a river of wings pouring from the earth. She is invisible to most of us, a shadow in the darkness. But she has mastered speed in ways we are only beginning to understand. 100 miles per hour. In total darkness. Number 3. The white-throated needletail. He has no close relatives, and he flies faster in level flight than any bird alive. The white-throated needletail. 105 miles per hour. Horizontal. No diving. No gravity assist, pure powered flight. Most fast birds cheat. They climb high and dive. The needletail's speed comes from muscle and wing design. His wings are sickle-shaped. His body is compact. He spends almost his entire life in the air, eating, sleeping, possibly even mating on the wing. He lands only to nest, and even then, reluctantly. He migrates from Australia to Siberia, thousands of miles at speeds that would exhaust any other bird. Scientists struggle to study him because he moves so fast he seems to teleport, a ghost with feathers. The fastest thing in the sky when gravity isn't helping, 105 miles per hour, under his own power. Number 2. The golden eagle. She doesn't soar, she plummets. 200 miles per hour, wings tucked, eyes locked, talons extended. The golden eagle, apex predator of the mountain skies. Her wingspan reaches 7 feet. Her talons exert enough pressure to crush the spine of a deer. She hunts from above, circling on thermals, waiting. When she spots prey, she falls. Wings folded, transforming into a missile. Gravity accelerates her to 200 miles per hour. At that speed, the impact alone can kill. But she strikes with surgical precision. Rabbits, foxes, young deer, nothing is safe. She has been clocked carrying prey heavier than herself, flying uphill. Her power-to-weight ratio rivals helicopters. Cultures have worshipped her as a symbol of power and majesty, 200 miles per hour, and talons that never miss. Number 1. The peregrine falcon. He is not the largest, He is not the strongest. He is simply the fastest creature that has ever existed on this planet. The peregrine falcon. 242 miles per hour. Verified, documented, undisputed. At that speed, he travels the length of a football field in 1 second. A human eye cannot track him. The shockwave from his strike can kill birds before his talons even make contact. How does he do it? Everything about him is engineered for velocity. His skull contains baffles to regulate airflow. At 200 miles per hour, normal breathing would destroy his lungs. His nostrils have cones to redirect pressure, shaped like jet intakes. His eyes have a third transparent membrane, acting as built-in goggles so he can see a pigeon from 3 miles away. When he dives, he enters the stoop, wings tucked tight, a teardrop of feathers and fury falling through the sky. He makes micro-corrections, wing tilts measured in millimeters, while traveling faster than a Formula One car. His prey never sees him coming. One moment flying, the next falling. Dead before it knew it was hunted. The impact sounds like a gunshot, a small explosion of feathers. He lives on every continent except Antarctica. He has adapted to cities, nesting on skyscrapers because pigeons are easy prey when you dive faster than a Ferrari. 242 miles per hour. The speed of nature unchained. The undisputed champion. Speed is survival.